What's up, everybody? It's your boy Clifford, expert digital marketer. So this is how you get free traffic from your own free SEO tool without spending a dime. Not only you get a free SEO tool, but you get a tool that's going to help you get free traffic. Let's go. So step number one, go to this website. It's called searchlogistic.com. They're going to tell you the steps. But hey, don't worry, I got you covered. I'm going to show you the steps on the video right now. Let's go. So on the website, the step number one, which is for step number two, is going to be you go to Claude.ai and you're going to use the free version. We're going to use Claude to build that free Google content grader. Why Claude? Because Claude is more advanced than ChatGPT regarding the latest core update on Google, from Google. So you go on Claude. Then once you're there, you're going to have to download files. You see up here, there's files right there. So on the website, it's going to give you a link to download those files. I'm going to show you these files right here. You see, these are those files that on the website, you're going to have to download. So step number one, you go on the website. Step number two, you download the files. Step number three, you go on Claude. So once you're at step number three, you're going to take those files. You're going to open the files, and inside of the file is going to give you a couple of things. I'm going to show you right now. So you're going to have the version of the tool. You're going to have the personal project. You're going to have a simple text, but that simple text is just a sample, but you have to put your real text. So you're gonna come here, you're gonna hit control, and your mouse, you're gonna take this one, and you're gonna take a simple engine project. In this case, it's called Search Engine Works. And then you're gonna take those projects and you're gonna slowly drag and drop those projects right here like this. See? You're gonna drop them right there. See? Just like that. Boom. And then let me zoom this out for you. And then once you have put them here, you just click the arrow. Boom. This is for the free version. If you need the pro version, you're gonna have to pay for it. But the free version, it's good. So now you have Claude that's taking the wheel. He's executing the tool. He's watching the sample, and he's giving you guidance on what Google ranking factors are and some recommendation. But the real magic is now. The real magic happens when he asks you a question. Would you like me to extend out these areas with actionable example? And you would always need to say yes. So now he's going to give you actionable step based on the Google ranking factors and the core updates of 2025. And now he's going to tell you what to do so you can fix your content and rank with your content without spending any money on backlinking. You still need backlinking, but it's going to go in deep and tell you what authority enhancement, what technical depth, what user experience, what you should put in an infographic, what you should put in a checklist. So it's really, really a deep tool that you can try right now. There you go, my friends. If you want to access the files, you can go on searchlogistic.com. Sometimes it doesn't work. So if it doesn't work, send me a message. I'm going to send you the file. If it works, then good. Till then, share, subscribe, and follow me for more. Ciao.